Today, I'll teach you guys how we guys can add multiple accounts on a TikTok. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, first thing is open up your TikTok. After opening TikTok, you want to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Answer. Inside your TikTok profile, you want to click on the line at the top where it says Kevin, and then it's showing an arrow at the bottom. In your case, it's going to show you your TikTok name, and it's going to show your arrow pointing at the bottom. Just click on it, and it's going to show you this. Now, this is the place from where you guys can add multiple accounts, so you can switch between them. So I want to add another account. So I will click an add account, and from over here, I will choose Google, cause my account is linked with Google. And from over here, I'm going to choose one of my second Google account. Once I click on that, the TikTok account, which is linked with that Google account, is going to open up. So let's wait for some time. Now I'm using Google account, but you can use Facebook, Apple ID, or anything. Just use anyone. Alright, so as you guys can see, my account has opened up, and I can switch between them by clicking on the arrow at the top again, pointing bottom, and click on the account and switch between them like this. But first, I have to add them. Then I can switch between them, and just like this, you can add however much account you want, right? That's how we guys can add multiple accounts in TikTok. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.